one. Cheers.
I want to say thank you to the Chamber for hosting today, and thank you for all attending. I know your time is valuable, so we'll keep this as short as we can. My name is Scott Smith. I'm with Compass Financial. I'm an independent registered investment advisor, and my contact info is here on the screen as we're starting. But I want to introduce you to CalSavers, and that's the only reason that we have the graphic on the screen today. I'm not associated or employed with CalSavers. I'm just here to provide some information for you. So this is our agenda today. These are the 5 questions that we're going to cover. What is CalSavers? Why does it matter to my business? What do I need to do? What are the specifics? And what is going to cost me? So what is CalSavers? CalSavers is a state law, California law, that was passed in 2016, which now mandates that all California employers with 5 or more employees offer a retirement savings vehicle to facilitate their employees access, or they can facilitate the employees going over to CalSavers. CalSavers is the name of the state retirement savings program that was created under this law. Whether or not you already offer a retirement vehicle, otherwise known as a 401k, there are certain compliance measures, important dates, and new options that you'll want to learn about. Why does it matter to my business? Well, as you can see on the graphic, these are some very important dates. According to this law, by these dates as a business owner in California, you will need to have in place or register a 401k with CalSavers. Eligible employers can request to register at any time. There are deadlines for eligible employers to either begin to offer their own plan or register with CalSavers. The deadlines vary depending upon the size of the business. Eligibility and compliance deadlines are based on your average employees throughout the year. This number will be calculated by averaging the number of employees you report on your previous 4 DE9C filings at the state.
If not, a question here real quick is, how does it work between full-time employees and temporary employees?
Part-time employees count, but it depends upon the requirements that are in the plan documents as to when they can start. So the Secure Act made that part-times available, or eligible, yes. If not in compliance after 3-month grace period from these dates above, business owners can face a fine of $250 per employee per month for the next 3 months. And after that, the fine goes to $500 until in compliance. And the code is actually cited there. What do I need to do? If your business already has a 401k, that's great, but you still need to register it with CalSavers to make sure that they know about your 401k plan. CalSavers will utilize your existing information to actually confirm your status. But one other little thing that companies should do is there's a little pop-up that pops up that says, congratulations, we recognize you, essentially. They should make a snippet of that receipt as a receipt, just for their records. If your business does not have a 401k plan, you'll need to decide whether to establish a private sector 401k or go with CalSavers, the state program. If you choose a private sector 401k, you still need to register the plan with CalSavers. If you choose not to implement a 401k, you still need to register with CalSavers, facilitate the employees being enrolled in the state program, and they will automatically be enrolled in the CalSavers program. But the employees can opt out if they choose so. And so for some employees, it's going to make sense, because especially if they move around from job to job inside the state of California. So it's not portable if you go outside the state of California. Now, what are the specifics? Now, as you can see, this little chart that we created kind of has a lot of the different types or benefits of 401ks listed, or even like IRAs. But this is really tuned towards the 401k, because you can do a lot more with a 401k than you can just an IRA or the state program. The state program has some advantages, especially for like what I was saying earlier. For those people that kind of move around from job to job, well, you can keep one account and keep on contributing to that account. But one of the things for like part-time employees you would want to do is that is in the first one here, customizable plan design investing schedule. That is where you would actually set up and decide for part-time employees or just employees in general, how many hours they have to wait and the vesting schedule. There are some tax credits associated with opening a 401k for the first 3 years. So talk to your tax professional to kind of give an estimate of what that might look like for your business. Owners, highly compensated employees can contribute to them. Payroll integration, that actually makes the transfer of contributions a lot more seamless and a lot more timely. You can attract and retain more employees. Portable, like what we were talking about, a 401k is not portable. Well, it is portable because it can go across state lines, but the state program cannot. Employer matching, well, there's no matching for the state program. Higher contribution limits in the 401ks. ERISA protection, in the 401k, you do have that, but not in the state program. So as you can see, there are a lot of advantages to go with a 401k. Now, what's it going to cost me? Costs vary from company to company, but with the PAI retirement plan, it's a flat $100 fee. Now, there is a one-time $390 setup fee that goes along with that, but it's just one time. Admin fees to employer, it's $100, and some companies charge $200 or more up a month. Admin fees to employees, well, the PAI one is $4 a month flat fee, and some of those, the range from other 401ks is $20 to $50 a month. The PAI 401k is independently managed, meaning the funds will change over time, and that can lead to better performance. Payroll integration, many companies are offering payroll integration in addition to PAI. And startup costs, it's the $390 versus the employer cost is then $100 per month with PAI. Thank you for attending. I will now answer any questions that you may have. If you have further questions about CalSavers setting up a 401k, or you'd just like a review of your existing plan and fees, I invite you to get in touch with me. Again, my name is Scott Smith. My phone number is 760-522-1240. And my email is the number 4, scottsmith@gmail.com. And my website is cfinllc.com. Thank you for your time.
Hey, Scott, real quick question before you finish here is
Yes.
on the cost to the employer.
Yeah.
Is there any financial assistance or breaks or anything available to an employer that due to a slowdown in business right now due to COVID and lack of revenue doesn't have the resources?
That's a great question. I'd have to look into that because I do know that for the taxes, they do get credit up to 3 years for their startup cost and then over the next 2 years, right? So the admin fee, and it's a percentage. I'm not sure. It goes up to $5,000, I think, or something like that. So I'd have to look into that to make sure due to COVID, if they can get something more.
Yeah, okay, just wondering because businesses are looking to get back on their feet, get things rolling as we're opening up. And now that this is facing them, it's just another overhead cost that the employer has to start providing switches. So it's more going out than what's actually coming in. And there was a lot of COVID relief funding that was provided to small businesses. And I'm wondering if they're getting any type of so for anyone that's listening, if you do have that same type of question, go ahead and contact Scott and we can do that research for you. Other than that, that's exactly right. I like the way you did it, down to the point, put out the information you need, and everything's there for people to contact you. I appreciate it. Amy, you got anything before I close out?
Oh, that was great. Thank
No, that
you.
was awesome. That was awesome. Okay,
Thank
Scott,
you.
thank you very much. I will go ahead and end the session, and I appreciate everything that you do for us.
Thank you. You guys enjoy your day. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you.